Right, while I'm trying to find my way out of this car park, I thought I'd give you the first status update. So I decided to do this, as this part of my YouTube channel is about building SEO into a proper agency. I thought I would actually give little updates every now and then. So, as this is the first update, current status is employees, 1, me. Number of freelancers, 12 in total. Freelancers who regularly work with me, 5. Number of premises, 1, not owned, rented. Number of vehicles, none. This is my wife's car. As a part of the SEO ESG policy, I decided we're going to walk everywhere that we can. So there you go. There is the first status update. I might share financials in future. I don't really know if I want to do that or if people might be interested or not. But anyway, there you go. No employees, loads of freelancers, 1 premises, no cars. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and all that. I want to look at these other videos as well. Bye.